Well, United Spirits has delivered a good set of numbers. A testimony to that is, of course, the way the share price as well reacted in today's trading session. It did rally almost 3% on an intraday basis. Resilient off-trade and margin performance is something that has led United Spirits' fourth quarter numbers. Top line grew 12%, EBITDA grew 52%, leading to a massive margin expansion, which came in at more than 18% versus being at around 13.5% in the corresponding quarter. And of course, the profit after tax as well surged quite significantly on account of the margins and various other factors as well, which also were relating to the base quarter, because the base quarter did have that high tax effect. Now, let's talk about the top line first. Firstly, two markets were problematic. One is West Bengal and the other is Andhra Pradesh. Remember, there were restrictions in on-trade and other issues as well in these two states. So these continue to impact the top line. But nevertheless, the volume growth overall was 8%, and largely it was led by the prestige and above segment, which grew a good 19%, in Q4. The popular segment degrew by 2%, but it's really the P&A segment that contributes to the top line as well as to the margins, obviously. There was recovery in the Scotch portfolio as well, which benefited the P&A segment, but the popular segment was impacted because of West Bengal, where we saw higher taxes as well. The margins, gross margins, did expand quite significantly. In fact, 43.9% is where the gross margins came in. So that in turn aided the EBITDA as well. But apart from that, there was benign commodity costs. Yes, USL is one of the few companies, the few sectors that is seeing still benign commodity costs. And of course, superior product.